Hello guys, what's going on? I hope you are doing great, but if you are not doing great, then you will do great after watching this video because we have the very first ever leaked images of the OnePlus 9 and also the screenshots of all the internal specifications. We have so many images to take a look today and credit goes to Phone Arena with the anonymous source. So this is the smartphone from the front and we can see this is supremely bezel-less. The bottom bezel is about the same size as the side ones, which are very small, and the camera we do still have it on the top left and it is still about the same size as the one found on the OnePlus 8T. And to be honest, the front design hasn't much changed from the OnePlus 8T. This is the 8T from the outside, most of the things are the same but with more powerful guts. From the back we have a silver color and guys, yes, this logo is not OnePlus's logo. This is just something companies usually do for pre-production samples, so don't be too much alarmed that this does not have a OnePlus logo. Over on the back we have triple cameras with two cameras featuring a bigger sensor and then a smaller third one with a flashlight right beside it. And then there is the branding ultra short. This branding might not actually be present on the consumer devices, but this seems like the 100x space zoom type of brag. I mean really, what is ultra short? On the top we have the microphone hole with the earpiece grill, and on the left side we have the volume rockers and the usual OnePlus power button and alert slider are on the right hand side. On the bottom we have the speaker grill, the charging slot, a microphone hole and a SIM tray, which still does not feature an expansion slot for a micro SD card. Now on to the screenshots of the about phone menu. This smartphone comes out of box with Android 11. We do have a display of 6.55 inches with 2400 x 1080p resolution. So this is still full HD, which is absolutely fine. Nothing wrong with that, and it has importantly the 120Hz of refresh rate. This particular model features 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, and the listed selfie camera is of 4 megapixel with back camera of 12 megapixel respectively, but they will have a 16 megapixel selfie and a 48 megapixel rear facing shooter. And guys, the only thing this does not confirm is the battery capacity of the smartphone, which is rumored to be about 4500 mAh, but confirmation is still awaited. Let me know guys your thoughts about these very first live images of the OnePlus 9. Hopefully we will soon have the leaked images of the OnePlus 9 Pro as well, and I will for sure cover that when it happens. So to not miss out on that awesome content, do make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button guys if you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed these live images, you can also follow me up on Twitter, ask me questions and whatnot. And thanks a lot for watching.